Have you ever wondered what your life would look like if you had acted instead of overthinking? How many opportunities have slipped away, not because you weren't capable, but because you were stuck in your own mind? Here's something uncomfortable. Overthinking doesn't just waste time. It slowly steals your confidence. It quietly kills momentum. And if you're not careful, it can shape your entire life. But what if I told you, overthinking is not your personality. It's just a habit. And today, I'm going to show you 5 practical steps to break that habit, so you can stop living in your head and start living in your life. Stay with me, because step 3 might change the way you make decisions forever. The first step is simple. Notice when you're overthinking, not when you're solving a real problem, but when you're replaying the same thought again and again. Ask yourself, am I making progress or just repeating? Are these thoughts leading to action or paralysis? The moment you recognize the pattern, something powerful happens. You create distance between you and your thoughts, and that distance is freedom. Try this today. The next time you catch yourself spiraling, say quietly, "This is overthinking." That small awareness interrupts the cycle. Most overthinking is built on imagined outcomes, so challenge it. Ask yourself, what is the worst realistic outcome here? And then ask, if that happened, could I handle it? Be honest. You've survived difficult things before. You've handled stress before. You've recovered from mistakes before. So why does your mind act like this time will destroy you? Overthinking exaggerates risk. Reality is usually much kinder than your imagination. When you question your fear, you shrink it. Here's the powerful one. Make small decisions faster, not reckless decisions, not careless ones, but quicker ones. Overthinkers delay simple choices. What to post, what to say, when to start. Try this rule. If a decision won't matter in 5 years, don't spend more than 5 minutes deciding. Action creates clarity. Thinking rarely does. Have you noticed that confidence comes after action, not before? The longer you wait, the louder fear becomes. So move before fear grows. Your brain loves rehearsing worst-case scenarios. But here's the problem. Every mental rehearsal feels real to your nervous system. Your body reacts as if the danger is happening now. So give your mind boundaries. If you need to think something through, set a timer, 10 or 15 minutes. Think, plan, analyze. When the timer ends, move. This teaches your brain that thinking has a place, but it doesn't run your life. Ask yourself, am I thinking to improve the situation or to avoid discomfort? That question alone can wake you up. Overthinking lives in 2 places, the past and the future. But life only happens in one place, right now. When your mind drifts, bring it back to something physical, your breathing, the feeling of your feet on the ground, the sounds around you. This is not weakness. This is control. The more present you are, the less power your imaginary fears have. And when you live in the present, something interesting happens. You start responding instead of reacting. Let me ask you something. How much energy have you lost to thoughts that never became reality? How many chances did you postpone because you needed more certainty? Overthinking is not intelligence. It's untrained fear. And fear can be trained, step by step, decision by decision, action by action. Today, choose one thing you've been overthinking. Just one. And take a small step. Not a perfect one. Not a dramatic one. Just movement. Because the life you want is waiting on the other side of action. And it begins the moment you stop living in your head and start living in your life.